my friend. Me is Lou. Yay! Good job! Look, this is red. Red. Red is bright, red is nice. Now look, this is blue. Blue like the sky, blue like water. Now look, this is yellow. Yellow like the sun. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Good job! What shape is this? This is a circle. Circle. Round and round. Now look, this is a square. Square. 4 sides. Now look, this is a triangle. Triangle. 3 sides. Listen. Whoop. It is a dog. Dog says, listen, meow. It is a cat. Cat says, meow. Listen, moo. It is a cow. Cow says, moo.
Touch your head. Good. Touch your eyes.
Blink.
Touch your nose.
Boop. Clap for yourself. Clap. Bye-bye. See you next time.